Hello, my sewing friends. I have a fabric haul for you to see, and I want to make absolutely clear the fact that I take zero responsibility for this. Zero. This is not my fault. This is my pleasure, but it is not my fault. I blame it completely on Viv from Viv Mom because she keeps going to Hobby Lobby and getting cool things for cheap, and then I have to run out and do the same thing. So I really did make out like a bandit. Oh, I really did. She has a video where she talked about a recent clearance sale that happened at Hobby Lobby. She also mentioned that her Hobby Lobby only has about 2 tables full of fabric that is seasonal. And so she had a Hobby Lobby employee tell her, you should go to the other one, this other one, which they get a lot more fabric in that's seasonal than we do. So you know what I did? I called a Hobby Lobby that's about 20 miles from me, and I said, do you guys have more clearance and seasonal fabric? And this person said, yes, actually, we have quite a bit. So I had to go up there anyway for something else, so how could I resist? How could I resist? I have no resistance, nor do I take any responsibility. Anyway, I found some really great clearance fabrics, and I also found a pattern. This is one of Simplicity's fall patterns, and the reason I grabbed this was because I thought it would be perfect for Mia, who is going to England next Thursday. She's going for about a month and a half. She is going to be pet sitting and having the English experience. And so I thought she could probably use a little cardigan. And so when I saw this one, this is Simplicity 8954, I just thought, oh, that is perfect. She has the body that can pull off this wrap really well. So I was thinking a sweater knit possibly, or even a fleece might look really cute. So I've talked with her and she likes it, and she said, oh, that fabric they're using, you know, on the front of the pattern makes it look so comfy. So I think I'm going to try and get this done in the next week so she can take it with her. So that's the only pattern I got. Now the rest is all fabric. I got this sweater knit. This is a fairly lightweight sweater knit, which is perfect for Florida actually. And it's in this gorgeous peach color. And my lighting is not great, so I'm hoping that this will come through. But, oh my gosh, it's kind of a slub knit, loose weave, just gorgeous, and I wish you could feel how soft it is. This was $3 a yard. It is 60 wide, and I am gonna make myself a cardigan, probably this one. And I'll explain why later, but I got quite a bit of it. Well, I didn't get that much of it. I think I got 2 yards, but it feels like a lot because it's so wide. It's drapey, it's pretty, I love the color, I love the weight. It's perfect for where I live. So again, that was $3 a yard. I got some linen look. This is, I think, a poly blend, which it's just a khaki and fairly, loose weave. I don't think it's going to be that sheer when it's made up, but I thought it would make a cute skirt, or I don't know, maybe a pair of lightweight pants. It was $3 a yard. No, this was $2 a yard. And I like the weight of it. It's not very heavy. It's more like about the weight of a quilting cotton. But I liked the color. I just made a vest that I think this will go with. And so, yeah, I couldn't pass it up for $2 a yard. This is a polyester crepe woven that I thought was gorgeous. It was $3 a yard. And, oh my gosh, top, dress, pretty, you know. This is very similar to a polyester woven that I made a maxi dress out of, and I have another maxi dress pattern that I may use this for. This was just so pretty. I mean, how could you possibly pass it up? Look at the colors. I love all these colors, all the pink and the aqua, my two favorite colors. So, $3 a yard, folks. Yeah, I just couldn't pass it up. So, I think I got about 3 yards of that. I love this. This is a seersucker shirting. And I say seersucker, it might not be a true seersucker. It is kind of that way, but it is not a solid broadcloth shirting either. It is fairly sheer. Everything looks sheer when I hold it up out here. I think it's because there's light behind me, but maybe if I held it up this way, it wouldn't seem so sheer. But I love this blue stripe. I don't know what it is, but it seems like all the fabric I buy lately is striped. But I love it. I think it would be a perfect summer dress, a perfect skirt, even a pair of loose-fitting pants might be really cute. So, yeah, definitely a top. And this is, I think this is 60 wide, or at least 54, I think. No, I think it's about 60 wide. So there's plenty of it. And I just really liked it. I couldn't pass up the blue chambray kind of look to it. So, yeah. Actually, I may have a dress that would look perfect in that. I found this beautiful, beautiful Dobby knit, or a Dobby weave, polyester crepe, which is very sheer. So it would have to be lined, no matter what I made. Gorgeous. Oh, I love the color. I love this weave. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And to be honest, matches perfectly with this sweater knit. So, oh my goodness. A very beautiful dress, very basic dress out of this with that little woven, or that little wrap cardigan would be so pretty. So, very flowy, very beautiful. Oh, so pretty. So this, I think, is again 60 wide, and I got, I don't know, about 3 yards of it, because if I did anything gathered, it would have to be really gathered because it's so light. But oh, I just love it. I love the color. This pale peachy corally pink, you know, it's really more probably, I don't know, I guess it's a blush color. Beautiful. Oh, so gorgeous. That I think was $3 a yard, I think. I don't know, I got a bunch of $2 a yard fabrics that I just couldn't pass up. And I think I actually already have this one in my stash. This is a navy dot, polka dot. Kind of. It's an irregular polka dot, but it is a woven crepe de chine. Again, very sheer, probably would have to be lined depending on what I made from it, but I love this. I just, you know, what is it about navy and white, and especially with this kind of drape, that just makes me fall in love. It's so classic, so classy. So I just fell in love, and it was $2 a yard, so I think I got 3 yards of it. Yeah, I couldn't pass it up. Could not pass it up. You can see how it's not a regular dot. It's very random, but no, so pretty. And the last thing I got, I didn't realize this, but I watched Viv's video, and then I watched it again after I got this home, and I thought, oh my gosh, that's the same fabric. I did pick up a denim, a wide denim. It is a chambray color. I did look at the end of the bolt, and it is denim. It's a nice weight for lightweight pants here in Florida or shorts. And it is a kind of a cream and blue denim. So it was so pretty. So pretty. And I think it's 100% cotton. And yeah, so Viv, we're copycats. It's so funny. When I make these videos, I feel like this is an ongoing conversation I'm having with Viv Mom. Although she is not the only person clearly on YouTube that I watch, but she is my favorite. So anyway, so I'm not sure what I'm going to use to make this, with this this with, no, I guess, I'm not sure what pattern I'm going to use with this fabric, but I just couldn't pass it up. It was $2 a yard. I mean, my gosh, $2 a yard. So that is my Hobby Lobby haul, for which I take no responsibility once again. I have a fair amount of sewing to do in July because Mia is going to England, and that's why she needs that little cardigan, and I'm going to join her. I'm going to England and Scotland and Rome and Venice. Oh my gosh. We are putting together this trip. It's kind of a happy birthday to me since this was a huge birthday for me this year. And my husband is not going to accompany us. I wish he was, but he feels like he needs to stay home. He's started a new job about a month ago, and he feels like he really needs to concentrate on that. And yeah, plus he just got a new car, new-ish. We never get brand new cars, but it was new to us, so, and a new computer. So, yeah, I think that's a good trade-off, don't you? I get to go to Europe. Oh my gosh. I've never been to England. I've never been to the UK at all. I've never been to Italy, and I'm so excited. So if you've been either of those places and you know of a fabric shop or someplace in general that I should not miss, then please let me know, because I would love to know. It's been so fun planning this trip with Mia. She's going to be going early. I'm not going until the 1st of August. And I will meet her in Scotland, and then we're gonna come back to London and go to Rome, and then take the train up to Venice, and then I get to come home. So I'm sure I'll have things to show you, but I have a lot of sewing to do between now and then because I need clothes. I need clothes that will, you know, that I like, dresses that I can wear a cardigan with in England and Scotland, where it's gonna be a little bit chillier. And then of course, you know, all new sundresses for Rome. I mean, my goodness. So lots of fun things on the horizon. And yeah, let me know if you hit Hobby Lobby because of Viv Mama and take no responsibility. And that's it for now from me, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.